Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Xbox Game Pass games not launching with error code 0x8027025b on PC.
Fix 1. Restart Xbox services. Step 1. Press Win plus R. Type services. MSC. Press Enter. Step 2. Restart these services. Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Games Save, Xbox Networking Service. Step 3. Close services and try launching the game. Fix 2. Repair, reset Xbox app and Microsoft Store. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed app. Step 2. Open Xbox app, Advanced Options. Step 3. Click Repair, then Reset. Step 4. Do the same for Microsoft Store. Fix 3. Sign out and sign in again. Step 1. Open Xbox app. Step 2. Click your profile, sign out. Step 3. Restart PC and sign in again. Fix 4. Check Windows Updates. Step 1. Go to Settings, Windows Update. Step 2. Click Check for Updates. Step 3. Install all pending updates and restart. Fix 5. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Xbox app, library. Step 2. Select the game, manage. Step 3. Click Verify and Repair.